This is a Lego airplane at an airport, right about to board an actual airplane. Today, I'm gonna see if I can bring this plane on my flight and if it will survive the journey. But before we can do that, I have to decide which type of aircraft I want to bring, and after some careful consideration, I think I know which one I want to build. Wait, that might actually be too big, so let's go with the second best option, the Boeing 727. I'm using a sideways building technique to get the perfect angle for our tail. And here is our completed Boeing 727, complete with working stairs. This is honestly one of my best planes ever, and with the livery, it looks even better. This 727 is fitted in the retro livery of my own airline. But in order to bring it into the plane, I have to take it apart into sections and carefully put it in my bag. Here we are at the airport, and here is my flight, operated by a United 737. So now let's board our flight and get ready for takeoff. To be honest, I didn't get much footage on this flight, mostly because I didn't get the window seat, and also because it's just a feeder flight to a bigger airport. Now that we landed in Houston, we need to get to our next gate fast since our flight takes off soon. Now that we are here, I can rebuild the tail so I can get a shot with our next flight. Actually, the plane I'm flying with now is an Airbus A319 over here, but still pretty cool. Ooh, nice, we got the window seat this time. So now we can sit back and relax as the airplane taxis, and now we can watch it take off. Now that we are at cruising altitude, I can finally start rebuilding the plane. And here is our 90% complete 727 since I had to cut the wings off. Now all we have to do is wait for the flight to land. We have finally arrived in Mexico, so let's cut to our next destination. And here we are with our completed 727. Well, not complete anymore, because I did lose a couple pieces, but otherwise, it survived. But this wouldn't be a completed LEGO aviation video if I had a crash. So let's throw our 727 off this balcony. The plane absolutely exploded, but that makes sense since I dropped it from 2 stories. This was a very epic journey, and if you enjoyed this video, a like and sub would definitely help. Thanks.